Hi, Pat here. I have a BSR equalizer, model ex100. I couldn't find much information on this, but I'm best guess to be made sometimes in the 70s. And it does work. At least it does pass music through it. I'm going to take the cover off, take the front off, and I'm sure the slides need to be cleaned. I've got it plugged in right now, and I got my scope hooked up to it, and I'm putting 150 millivolts in at 1000K right now. And I increase the left side here. See, it goes up, kind of funky. Let me try the right side. Right side really doesn't want to do much yet. I'm going to spray a little deoxin in it, see if it makes any changes. I sprayed a little bit of this stuff in there, and now they're both reacting much better. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them. I got all the sliders cleaned up, and the first band here is 31 Hertz, and it's working pretty good. Both sides. Next band is 62 Hertz. Now 125 Hertz. I'm at 250 Hertz. Now I'm at 500 Hertz. Now I'm at 1 kilohertz. Now I'm on the 2 kilohertz band. Now I'm on the 4 kilohertz band. Now I'm on the 8 kilohertz band. And the last band is 16 kilohertz. So clean those up, straighten that out a lot. Here's a look at the inside. And I did find a date right there. November 25th, 1981. I've got it all put back together, and things are working good. Well, thanks for watching the video.